10 foods that wake up your body's healing power after 65. What if aging didn't mean breaking down, but rebuilding? Some people believe aging is a one-way street toward decline, pain, and disease. But the truth is more hopeful. Even after 65, your body still holds an astonishing power, the ability to regenerate. How? Through the support of your own stem cells, the repair engines of your body. And there's a growing body of research showing that certain foods can help awaken these cells, reduce cancer risk, and rejuvenate your body from the inside out. As a senior nutritionist with more than 30 years in the field, I've seen lives change when people stop relying solely on pills and start feeding their body what it truly needs to heal. In this article, you'll discover 10 foods not previously covered that are scientifically proven to support stem cell health, fight cancer, and slow biological aging. These are not trendy fads or miracle cures. They are real, research-backed allies for anyone over 65 who wants to live longer, better. Let's begin. 1. Moringa leaves. Nature's multivitamin for regeneration. Moringa oleifera, often called the miracle tree, is one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth. But what makes it truly miraculous is its impact on cellular health. According to a study published in PLOS One, moringa leaf extract helps protect mesenchymal stem cells from oxidative damage, preserving their ability to repair tissues as we age. The leaves are rich in quercetin, chlorophyll, and vitamin A, all of which support DNA repair and reduce inflammation. Why it matters after 65. Stem cell activity naturally declines with age. Moringa's antioxidants help revive those dormant cells and stimulate tissue repair from joints to skin to organs. Try this: blend 1 teaspoon of organic moringa powder into your morning smoothie. For sensitive stomachs, start with half. 2. Fermented beets. A gut, liver, stem cell connection. Beets are known for heart health, but when fermented, they become a trifecta of health power: nitric oxide, for blood flow, betaine, for detox, and probiotics, for gut health. A 2020 study in Nutrients showed that fermented beet juice enhances gene expression for antioxidant defenses and cell survival, crucial for stem cell function and cancer resistance. Bonus benefit: the betaine in beets supports methylation, a process your body uses to silence damaged DNA and activate healthy cell pathways. Best form: try traditional beet kvass. Just 3-4 oz daily can improve digestion, liver detox, and cellular resilience. 3. Sea buckthorn berries. Omega-7 rich cellular shield. These vibrant orange berries contain a rare fatty acid, palmitoleic acid, omega-7, shown to promote stem cell migration and wound healing, according to Journal of Ethnopharmacology. They also contain superoxide dismutase, SOD, a powerful antioxidant that protects DNA from mutation, reducing cancer risk. Aging insight. Dry eyes, thinning skin, and fatigue are often signs of poor cellular renewal. Sea buckthorn helps restore that foundation from the skin to the gut lining. How to use: add 1 tablespoon of sea buckthorn juice to warm water with lemon. Avoid added sugars. 4. Lion's mane mushroom. Brain and body regenerator. Lion's mane is a culinary mushroom with a nootropic twist. It stimulates nerve growth factor, NGF, which is essential for neural stem cell survival. According to research in International Journal of Molecular Sciences, Lion's mane not only improves memory but promotes regeneration of brain and nerve cells damaged by aging or toxins. For people over 65, lion's mane may help protect against cognitive decline while enhancing the regenerative capacity of neural tissues. How to use: take lion's mane as a powder in tea or capsules, 1–2 g daily. Make sure it's fruiting body extract, not mycelium. 5. Black garlic. Sweet and silent anti-cancer warrior. Black garlic is aged, fermented garlic with high levels of S-acetylcysteine, compound that boosts glutathione, the master antioxidant involved in stem cell protection and DNA repair. According to Mayo Clinic, glutathione levels drop with age, increasing cancer risk. Black garlic reverses this trend by recharging antioxidant defenses from within. Bonus: it's easier on the stomach than raw garlic and offers immune support without bad breath. How to enjoy: add 1–2 cloves to soups, stews, or salads. The taste is sweet and mild, perfect for seniors with sensitive digestion. 6. Purple corn. Ancient grain with modern healing. Purple corn, a staple in Andean cultures, is rich in anthocyanins, powerful pigments shown to activate stem cells and inhibit cancer cell proliferation. A study in molecular nutrition and food research found that purple corn extracts significantly reduced markers of colon cancer in mice, while also improving insulin sensitivity. For seniors, this means better metabolism, gut protection, and anti-inflammatory benefits, all from a natural, gluten-free food. How to use: look for purple corn flour to make tortillas, pancakes, or porridge. Or drink traditional chicha morada, boiled purple corn with cinnamon, no sugar. 7. Barley sprouts. Young greens, powerful results. Barley sprouts are young leaves of the barley plant harvested at peak nutrition. They are rich in saponin, a flavonoid that promotes liver stem cell activity and detoxification, according to a 2021 study in food chemistry. Barley greens also contain GABA, chlorophyll, and iron, which support blood health and reduce cellular inflammation. Real story. Richard, 70, began drinking barley grass juice powder daily to help with post-chemo recovery. His fatigue dropped, and his liver enzymes improved within 3 months, validated by his doctor. Tip: use 1 teaspoon barley grass powder in water or smoothies. It's naturally gluten-free and gentle on digestion. 8. Sasha inchi seeds. Omega-3s that activate healing. This Amazonian super seed is one of the highest plant sources of all omega-3 fatty acids, which fuel mesenchymal stem cell regeneration and improve brain plasticity, according to Neurochemistry International. The seeds also contain tryptophan and protein, supporting mood, sleep, and hormonal balance, especially critical for older adults. How to enjoy: roast the seeds lightly and add to salads or yogurt. Or use Sasha inchi oil as a dressing. It has a light, nutty flavor, and is safe for cold use. 9. Turmeric microgreens. Young roots, powerful repair. Turmeric is well known, but turmeric microgreens, the sprouted form, offer higher levels of curcumin and antioxidants, while being more bioavailable. Research in phytotherapy research indicates that curcumin modulates cancer genes, reduces senescence, aging at the cellular level, and supports hematopoietic stem cells, which create blood cells. These microgreens offer all the benefits of turmeric without the need for black pepper or fat to enhance absorption. Tip: Grow turmeric microgreens at home or look for fresh trays at health stores. Add to wraps, salads, or smoothies. 10. Wakame seaweed. The ocean's stem cell stimulator. Wakame, a brown seaweed, contains fucoxanthin, a pigment shown to induce apoptosis in cancer cells and promote stem cell proliferation, particularly in bone marrow. A 2018 study published in Marine Drugs confirmed that fucoxanthin stimulates the release of growth factors that rejuvenate aging tissues, making wakame a promising food for longevity. Mineral bonus: wakame is also rich in iodine, magnesium, and calcium, all vital for senior health, especially for bone and thyroid support. How to use: add ready-dried wakame to miso soup, cucumber salad, or rice bowls. Conclusion: food isn't just fuel, it's the language of regeneration. These 10 foods aren't just delicious. They are nature's instructions for healing. After 65, your body is not giving up. It's simply asking for better information, and food provides that information. The right nutrients can reawaken stem cells, lower your risk of cancer, and help you age not just longer but stronger. Summary checklist: moringa, stem cell protection. Fermented beets, detox and DNA regulation. Sea buckthorn, cell repair and hydration. Lion's mane, nerve regeneration. Black garlic, DNA defense. Purple corn, anti-cancer anthocyanins. Barley sprouts, liver and blood support. Sasha inchi, omega-3 stem cell fuel. Turmeric microgreens, anti-aging power. Wakame, bone marrow activation. You don't need expensive treatments or complex regimens. Just the right foods, chosen wisely, prepared with care, and eaten with intention. Let food be your daily act of renewal. Your body still remembers how to heal now it has the ingredients to begin. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute medical, legal, or professional advice. Always consult a qualified professional before making any decisions related to your health, diet, or lifestyle. We may